Tonight's lesson is lesson 3.6, Commutative Property of Multiplication. The essential question is, how can you use commutative property of multiplication to find products? Let's look at unlock the problem. Dave works at the bird store. He arranges 15 boxes of birdseed in rows on the shelf. What are 2 ways he can arrange the boxes in equal rows? So in the word problem, it tells us that there are 15 total boxes of birdseeds in rows on the shelf. So what are 2 ways he can arrange the boxes in equal rows? So it says, arrange 15 tiles into 5 equal rows. Draw a quick picture of your array. So over here, I drew an array for you. And it has 15 total tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And it tells me that I needed 5 equal rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I know that there are 3 in each row. So let's go ahead and mark that. So how many tiles are in each row? 3. And then what multiplication sentence does your array show? So we've got 5 times 3 equals 15. So suppose Dave arranges the boxes in 3 equal rows and not 5 equal rows. Draw a picture of your array. So it's going to look the same here, except we're going to flip it over to make 3 rows of 5 and not 5 rows of 3. So let me show you what the next array will look like. So now, how many tiles are in each row? Correct, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What multiplication sentence does your array show? So now it's just flip-flopped, right? Now it's 3 rows of 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. So 2 ways Dave can arrange the 15 boxes are in 5 rows of 3 or 3 rows of 5. But we still get the same answer. So the multiplication property that we're working on is the commutative property of multiplication, and it states that when you change the order of the factors, the product stays the same. You can think of it as the order property of multiplication. So look at the first picture of the birds. There's 2 equal groups, 1, 2, with 1, 2, 3 birds in each cage. So the multiplication equation here is 2 times 3 equals 6. And then look at the other picture. There are 3 equal groups, 1, 2, 3, with how many birds in each cage? 2, you're correct. So 3 times 2 equals 6. So 2 times 3 equals 3 times 2. It just shows it in a different order. I like to refer it as the flip-flop property. You flip it around. So to explain how the models are alike and how they are different, it's the number of groups and the number in each group, and they are switched, but the number in all is the same. So the answer will always be the same. So let's practice just one more time, and then we'll be done for the night. Draw a quick picture on the right that shows the commutative property of multiplication, then complete the multiplication sentences. So let's look. How many groups are there? Yep, 3. So 3 times 4, because there's 4 chips in each group. So 3 times 4 is 12. And then let's flip-flop it. Blank times 3 equals 12. So it would be 4 times 3 equals 12. And then let's look at B. There are 2 down and how many across? Correct, 5. And 2 times 5 is 10. So then what would the flip-flop be? Good, 5 times 2 equals 10. Very good. See y'all tomorrow in class.